Looking for a smart speaker with rich sound and smart home control? The Google Nest Audio delivers hands-free help with Google Assistant and solid audio performance. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Google Nest Audio, from its features to how it performs in everyday use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, Google Nest Speaker, a charging cable, and an instruction manual. If you're interested, Google Nest Speaker, don't worry, I have dropped the link in the description, so you can grab it directly from Amazon. How to on. Plug in the power cable to your Google Nest Audio. Connect it to a wall socket. The speaker turns on automatically, no buttons needed. Set up with app. First, download the Google Home app from the Google Play Store and open it. Sign in with your Google account. Tap the plus icon, select your home, then tap Nest Audio when it appears. Follow the on-screen prompts and allow permissions. Setup will finish in just a few moments, and your speaker will be ready to use. Smart feature. Powerful sound. Google Assistant. Smart home control. Multi-room audio. Voice match technology. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Touch controls. Privacy controls. Play from room to room. Move whatever you're listening to from one Nest speaker or display to another as you move around the house. Hey Google, move my music to the kitchen speaker. Hey Google, move my music on the den speaker. Hey Google, play music downstairs. Apps used by YouTube Music, Spotify, Pandora, Sirius XM, Google Calendar, Google Maps, Philips Hue, Tiley, and Google Meet. Thoughtfully designed. Fits in beautifully. The colors and slim design blend right into your home. Environmentally sound. Nest Audio is designed for sustainability. The enclosure is made from 70% recycled plastic. Peace of mind. With a Nest Aware subscription, Nest Audio can detect unusual sounds, like glass breaking or your smoke alarm going off, and send you an alert. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Google Nest speaker. See you in the next one.